Good morning, class. It is question number 12. Prove that the function fx equal log x at the base a is strictly increasing on 0, infinite when a is greater than 1 and strictly decreasing on open interval 0, infinite when 0 is less than a is less than 1. Then for first case, when a is greater than 1, we have given function fx equal log ax. Differentiate this function f dash x equal 1 by x log a e at the base a, and this term can be written as 1 by x log a at the base e. Now since given interval is 0, infinite, that is x is greater than 0, this implies 1 by x is also greater than 0, and when a is greater than 1, a is greater than 1 means a is positive, then value of log a at the base e is also positive, means 1 by x log a at the base e is greater than 0, that is f dash x is greater than 0 when a is greater than 1, means function log x at the base a is strictly increasing on 0, infinite. Now second case, when 0 is less than a is less than 1, function fx equal log x a f dash x is 1 by x log a at the base e. Now since x belongs to 0, infinite as above, then x is greater than 0 means 1 by x is greater than 0. Now since a lies between 0 and 1, then log e a at the base e is less than 0, because if we put a equal 1 by 2, then we have 2 to the power minus 1, means minus log 2 at the base e, which is negative. If we put any value between 0 and 1, then we see that log a at the base e is 0, is less than 0. Then 1 by x log a at the base e is less than 0, means derivative is less than 0, function fx is strictly decreasing on 0, infinite.